You are supplied with a PVC finishing trim. Measure the full height of the reveal to the left and right hand side of the unit and cut 2 trims to size. Fill the gap between the reveal and the unit with decorator's cork or foam. Apply a bead of decorator's cork down the height of the timber subframe to fix the trim into place. Foam can also be used if required. For the top and the bottom trim, scribe one end of the PVC and hold into place. Mark the opposite side of the trim to outline where further scribing should take place. Scribing should create a bowl nose that blends the pieces of trim together. Fill the gap between the reveal and the unit with decorator's cork or foam. Once the trim is scribed correctly, apply a bead of decorator's cork along the width of the timber subframe to fix the trim into place. Apply an additional bead of decorator's cork between the reveal and the trim to ensure a neat finish.